an energetic protocol to assist you in cleaning, healing, and repairing your tunnel of light. Your tunnel of light inserts at the back of your neck, your occiput, your C1, C2, C3, C4. And we want to think about it like our USB port that allows our soul, the soul, and the body to bring in more harmonic, supportive vibrations. It also enables the soul to enter the body and leave the body. So, holding your energy and awareness in your divine line, soul, rider, and body, use your higher self and your energetic fields to reference your tunnel of light. It inserts at the back of the neck. And then inviting your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, to clean any energy off the tunnel of light that is not yours. Sometimes we might feel the mother or the father's energy in our tunnel of light, or loved ones who have transitioned or are going to be transitioning. Cleaning everyone's energy that is not you or your body off your tunnel of light. Using your higher self, your energetic fields for the soul, for the body. Having your team hold vigil. Your teams don't have tunnels of light. Just you and your body have one tunnel of light. There we go. And then inviting your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, using your energetic fields, repair, clean, repair, heal, balance, and align all of the crystalline structures within and around your tunnel of light in a way that is in alignment with your essence and your body, Deva's essence. The guides just said no corruption in USB port, right? It's like open channels, clean, clear, protected, safe, security enabled. It goes up to your higher self, safety and protection at the level of your higher self, embodied Deva's higher self. And then at the level of your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, ponder what are the vibrational frequencies, energetic codes, energetic programs that are in alignment with your essence, your body, Deva's essence, your wisdom, and your mastery, your passion, your creative energy that you want gently streaming down your tunnel of light for this gentle repatterning and reprogramming for greater degrees of alignment, authenticity of who you really are at an essence level. There we go. For you, soul rider, your body. And breathe. Update grids, all reference points, all ways in which you perceive, and letting that integrate.